Okay guys, I've been doing YouTube for a lot of years and only like a handful of times have I started filming a video and not hit record. What is my hair doing? It just happened. So Boxycharm unboxing, September 2021, here it is. The theme for this month is BTS. Back to school to prove to dad that I'm not a fool. I got my boots tied tight, my lunch packed, right? I hope I don't get in a fight. I think those are the words. You guys know what movie that's from? Comment down below. Okay, I got variation C2109001. I got the base box. I am a Boxycharm ambassador. I've been an ambassador for 6 years, 6 or 7 years. That means they send me the box. Sometimes they send me the base box and the premium box. Other times they just send me the base box, but this month I just got the base box. Okay, first thing in the box is from St. Lux. This is their brow gel. Brow gel. Retails for $22. It's just a brow gel. I don't use a brow gel. So I'm probably just gonna give this away to someone. Next thing in the box is from Dr. Brandt. This is the triple antioxidant eye cream. Retails for $46. It is formulated with revolutionary A3 power. It's a dynamic shield boosted with antioxidant, age defense, and anti-stress ingredients. Ooh, mama needs all that. It's designed to help the look of fine lines and prevent first signs of skin aging. See, I feel like I'm past that though. I don't have the first signs. I have signs like my skin is aging. I have wrinkles, so you know. This says new launch next to it. So is this a new product from Dr. Brandt? I think it might be. I am excited to try this little guy right here. Okay, next thing in the box is from Elena Badro. This is the baby blues set. Makeup brushes. Retails for $58. Ooh. I have so many makeup brushes that were like super cheap. It's a very nice little pouch it comes in. Elena Badro. I don't know how to say it. Ooh, these are pretty though. Oh yeah. It says you can contour, blend, and define. Contour, blend, and define with these 3 limited edition decadent synthetic makeup brushes. This is a Boxycharm exclusive. These are really pretty. I'll probably use them, but $58 for these, like no. Next thing in the box is from insert name here. This is the Quick Slick Hair Essence. Retails for $22. It is designed to quickly and easily touch up hair. No alcohol, safe for sensitive scalps, non-irritating, non-flaking essence to slick and smooth your baby hairs and flyaways with a light peach scent. Ooh, so it looks like this. Cute packaging. Let's see. Ooh, it does smell peachy. Let's see. Can we like do it on this little thing? And we got some baby hairs there. Okay. Last thing in the box is from Blink. This is the Glow Getter Face Palette. Retails for $50. 4 smooth matte blushes and 4 luminous highlighters. So this is what it looks like. I will not use the top row because I'm not a blush person, but the bottom row, yes, super pretty. And these are huge too. Pretty. Ooh, can you see? Pretty. Okay, so that's everything that I got in my September 2021 Boxycharm box. The face palette, like I said, I'm not going to use the blushes, but I'll definitely use the highlighters. The makeup brushes I'll use, although I think it's a crazy price. Is this like a high-end brand? I've never heard of this brand before. I don't know. I have to check it out. I'm excited for this. This is definitely a thing you can keep in the purse and pull out when you need it. What else was there? Oh, the brow gel. I'm gonna give that away. And then the eye cream I will definitely try out. I'm excited for this. If you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm, I will have a link down below. I'll also link my other Boxycharm videos down below. I have a Boxycharm playlist, 6 years worth. Is it 6 years? No, it's 7. It's 7 years. Wait, yeah, 2014. August of 2014 was when I got my first Boxycharm box. So that's 7 years. Crazy. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.